our services in this video. In this first video, we'll show you how we have cleaned the exterior of the car.
The first step is to spray the car with water just to wet the surface. Then the second step is to scrub the car with soap water just to thoroughly clean and remove dirt. Lastly, we spray the car with water to rinse off the soap, and we are done with the exterior washing of the car. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. We hope to see you again in our next video. Bye.